Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace your iExamB learning experience. IBPS SO Law exam की prelims की cutoff out हो चुकी है and we are going to have a look at that cutoff. We will also try to understand based on the cutoff of prelims how the score can vary in the mains exam. So we'll try to analyze whether the mains cutoff may go low, high based on prelims cutoff. In the prelims 2024, these are the sectional cutoff for general category and for reserve category. In reasoning, it's 3.5, in English language 7.25, and in general awareness 3.25. Looking at the overall score, for general category, the overall cutoff has been 33.13. For EWS, it was 28.13. These were the cutoffs for various streams. So overall cutoff has been low when compared to other years. Over the past 7 years, this has been the overall cutoff, and the lowest cutoff has been this year. This year, there are the highest vacancies and the lowest cutoff. So this can give you a little bit of idea that more number of students are appearing for prelims and even for mains, and hence the cutoff has dipped a little bit. Same trend we can expect in mains as well. But do not rely on that. The exam level, the competition, your ability will decide what will be your score. So try to get as many marks as possible in mains. Looking at the sectional cutoff, in English it has been decent, 7.25, while in reasoning and general awareness it has been the lowest. 3.5 is the lowest sectional cutoff in reasoning, and same goes for general awareness, 3.25. So this can give you a brief idea that you can expect the cutoff of mains to go down. In mains you have only professional knowledge. There are 60 questions of 60 marks. And over the past years, these have been the cutoff in the mains. So far, the lowest cutoff in mains was 17.25, but do not rely on this. In one of my previous video, I have shared what should be a safe target score in mains. Please refer to that video and try to understand how much marks you should target. Compared to last year, as in 2023, when the cutoff was 34.5, I'm expecting the cutoff may be lower than 34.5. To what extent, that we'll have to see depending upon the level of the exam. I hope you are prepared well. I hope you are doing well. You are using the various content that we have in our courses on our YouTube channel. Wish you all the best for your upcoming exam. Do not panic. Do not get stressed. Be confident and appear for the exam with a clear and fresh mindset. Enroll with iExamB and make your preparation 50% faster. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.